Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bivanye n'umwe wese aho aherereye. This is E.F.A English Family. Hanyuma muri wa mugambi wo kwiga icongereza, uyu munsi two turiga indamukanyo, twiga indamukanyo, greetings mu congereza. Hanyuma ndabibutsa kugira suivre canke follow ku batarabigira ndetse mugire na share. Turakeneye n'ibitekerezo vyanyu muri comments, vyiyumviro vyanyu. So now, today we are going to focus on formal greetings and informal greetings. Formal greetings rero ni kuvuga ni za ndamukanyo dukoresha muri environnement, hahantu hubashwe turi kumwe n'abantu bakuze badusumba mu myaka badusumba, cyangwa se ku kazi ahantu nyene hiyubashe, cyangwa umuntu wari we wese bivanye n'ingene ugomba kuvyifatamwo. Turafise indamukanyo ya mbere ariyo good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning nayo tuyikoresha ryari? Ni mu gatondo kubwira umuntu uti mwaramutse, good morning. Hama saa sita kuva saa sita kuduga tuvuga tuti good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Umuhingamo mwiza ni kuva inyuma ya saa sita. Ngabo imbere ya saa sita kuva mu saa tanu kumanuka aho tuvuga good morning, good morning, good morning. Aho ni mwaramutse kuri good morning. Hanyuma good afternoon ni umuhingamo mwiza. Then we have good evening, good evening. Evening n'umuhingamo, n'umugoroba. Donc tuti good evening ni kuvuga ati umugoroba mwiza. Aho naho ni kuva inyuma kuva mu 17 kuduga. So then yore usezeye umuntu mugiye kuryama uramubwira uti good night, good night, good night. So umubwira uti ijoro ryiza. Now we have how are you. Hari igihe umuntu ashaka kubwira uti how are you, abashatse kubaza uti amakuru yawe, umeze gute, umeze neza. Then you can just respond, urashobora kumwishyura uti I'm fine, thank you, ati meze neza urakoze. Or sometimes urashobora kumubwira uti nice to meet you, ati vyiza guhura nawe, nice to meet you, vyiza guhura nawe. And hiyo urose nk'umushitsi aje gutembera ashaka kumubwira uti welcome, welcome. Naho umubwira uti kaze. So abo turajeje kuraba cyo kwita formal greetings. Kare tuje kuri informal greetings. So informal greetings tuzikoresha ryari? Informal greetings tuzikoresha hahandi turi kumwe n'abagenzi, abantu tungana mu myaka. That is for formal greetings. Greetings twavuze kari indamukanyo. Ashaka kuvuga uti umuntu akubwiye ati hi, hello, umwishura hi canke hello. Umuntu avuze ati hi canke avuga ati hello, ni kuvuga uti abashatse kuvuga uti muraho, umeze neza. Or sometimes mashaka guhura n'abantu bazomba bakubwiye uti what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up. Or abashatse kubwira uti bimeze gute, what's up. Hanyuma how are you ni umeze gute, amakuru yawe. I'm good. Unakubaje ati how are you, shakuba ati I'm good, ati meze neza. And sometimes wemva nk'ahantu bavuze ngo hi friend, hi friend, aho avuze ati gute mugenzi, gute mugenzi. Bon, masha no gusezerana ukamubwira uti see you later, see you later, see you later, or see you later. Akubwira ati see you later, abakubwira uti turasubira. So reka rero dusubira muri dusome rero mu congereza honyene. Informal greetings tuvuga tuti hi, hello, what's up, what's up, how are you, how are you, I'm good, I'm good, hey friend, hey friend, see you later, see you later, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, good evening, good evening, how are you, good night, I'm fine, thank you, Nice to meet you. Welcome. Thank you guys for being with me. Hanyuma nashaka kubabwira uti mugire suivre canke follow na comments na share so that tuze tubandanye tubana neza mu bindi vyigwa byose bizokurikira. Abantu bahora bidoga ngo ntibiga icongereza, mugire suivre canke follow. Thank you so much. I love you.